Okay.
Oh God, I opened the door.
Oh my gosh. Dylan Stice. Alright. Alright. Well, today we have a special guest of Dylan Stice right here.
On our show.
Yeah, on our show. Alright, today we're gonna the topic is what the fuck? Alright, topic is
The topic is cat.
yeah. Have you ever had a cat that you cried over, Dylan? Real dog. You're standing there, don't say. Alright. Have you ever wanted to cry over a cat?
Okay, my questions are better. God, we're behind the camera. Dylan, when was the last time you had an erection?
Wow.
Come on, answer this truthfully.
50 years ago.
Why? Was it because you saw Kelsey?
No, it's not because I saw Kelsey. I hate Kelsey. On the camera.
Power to the kisser. Okay, now, when was the last time you had an erection and why? Have you ever gone beyond making out with a girl?
None of your business.
Okay.
Still,
Alright, one more question.
And then it's my turn.
You schmow.
Hell, schmow.
That's our show. Alright. Today's topic. No, just erase that.
No, I've got this.
Alright. Today's topic is sex. We're gonna rock the subject.
What are you wearing on your finger, Dylan? Is that a promise? Is that a fucking
No, it's not. It won't come off.
This is the size of his penis.
Oh, I was
Oh,
calling.
you're funny, aren't you?
Hello? I'm almost to my house.
She has an erection call.
We're up at Dylan Stice's house because we were walking around the neighborhood, but I'm almost to my house in like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. We have to hurry up this interview because I gotta go.
Where?
To my house because Ozzy's gonna be there and we're interviewing Ozzy too.
Oh, okay. Well, okay. Dylan, sex, yes. Virgin.
Not a virgin, obviously. Blonde hair, not a virgin. What color eyes do you have?
Blue. He's not a virgin.
You're not a virgin, there's no way. Alright, well, we gotta go because we gotta go interview Ozzy, so, I'll see you on the bus tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye.
He doesn't even get it.
Bye. Leave. I don't want you at my house.